Good morning from the honey stand in San Mateo, Florida. Went and got Scott's tennis shoes. He's figured out his work boots don't work so well on that wet metal. We are at the other house. Okay. And Scott is power washing the roof. Jesus, right there, is going to climb back in the attic, and he's going to be looking for water leaks. We've got a lot of water damage on this side of the house. And I'll tell you the most part of it was because see where this black is right here? Because there's not a gutter on this top rung. There's not any gutters on the house anywhere. But if they had had a gutter right here on this part, all of this black part wouldn't be there. So on those seams, see, you can see this vertical line right here. There should be a 1x3 board over that. It should be caulked, and then you should put a 1x3 hardie board over that to cover that seam so that the water can't eventually get in there, because caulk will break down. And it wasn't done when they sided this house, so got major water damage inside, and I'll go show you that in just a minute. So you can see all this termite damage. And there's nothing. It's just cardboard. So it's this whole wall and this whole wall. And you go in here. And it's this whole front wall here. We have not explored this wall yet to see, but this is the whole front of the house upstairs. So you kind of have to expect some of this stuff when you buy a house as is. However, this was pretty extreme even for us. And we've flipped houses before. This is not our first rodeo, so I don't know. It's overwhelming. However, I don't think it's anything that we can't handle. It's just going to take a little more time than what we were thinking would be involved. But anyway, I'm going to go back out and watch Scott do some more power washing. And then we'll probably call it a day here pretty soon. So I think this is where I'm going to end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do me a favor, hit the little like button, the little thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed. We're always looking for new followers that can give us advice as we go along the way. So until next time, God bless you and have a good week.